Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. And today pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba mag-buy load gamit ang ating Gcash application. So okay guys, magba-buy load tayo ng 5 pesos only. So okay guys, before tayo mag-start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, simulan natin. Dial nyo lang ang asterisk 143 number sign, then call nyo ng inyong Gcash mobile number. So ayun guys, ang gamit ko nga pala is Globe number. Then okay, may magpapop up dyan. Then ang hanapin nyo is yung Gcash. So nasa number 8 siya. Gawin nyo lang, type nyo lang dyan yung 8, then click nyo itong send button. So and guys, another pop up. So makikita nyo dyan yung mga pamimilian ng Gcash. So okay guys, hanapin nyo lang yung buy load. So nasa number 6 siya. Type nyo lang yung 6, then click nyo yung send button. So ayun guys, may magpapop up dyan na mga network na pamimilian nyo. So nandyan ang Globe, TM, Smart, sa Token Text, your prepaid. So and guys, sa tutorial na ito is about sa Smart. Ang ating luludan ng regular 5. So okay guys, type nyo lang yung 3, then click nyo itong send button. So ayun guys, may pamimilian dyan na regular load and load promo. So ayun guys, sa tutorial na ito is regular load. So type nyo lang yung 1 sa regular load, then click nyo yung send button. So ayun guys, sa regular load is may mga pamimilian dyan. Yung pwede ba yung smart regular load, yung denomination, yung 5 to 1,000. So mayroon din regular 10, regular 15, regular 20, regular 30. So sa tutorial na ito is about sa 5 pesos. Mag-reload tayo ng 5 pesos. So piliin nyo dyan is yung smart regular load denomination ba yun, yung may 5 to 1,000. So type nyo lang yung 1, then click nyo yung send button. So yun guys, may lalabas dyan na enter a value between 5 to 1,000. So yun guys, ang ating load lang is 5 pesos only. So yun guys, type nyo lang yung 5, then click nyo yung send button. So yun guys, may lalabas dyan. Then ang gagawin nyo dyan is itatype nyo yung inyong number na lolodan. So yun guys, itype nyo lang ang inyong number na lolodan, yung smart number. So yun guys, after that, click nyo yung send button. Then may lalabas dyan or magpapop up dyan na hinihingi yung pin ng ating Gcash. So yun guys, itype nyo lang dyan yung inyong pin ng inyong Gcash or yung password, then click nyo yung send button. So yun guys, regular load 5 pesos successfully loaded to this number. Thank you for your purchase. Yun lang guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So yun lang guys, and thank you for watching.